Today we're in Boulder City, Nevada, and we are going to take a tour of the Hoover Dam. Let's go check it out.
Check it out.
Gonna go see a movie?
Gonna go see a movie.
Are you ready to watch the Dam movie?
That's what I was gonna say. Yes. Incredible how they built this. We're getting ready to go on the dam tour.
On this presentation for you, everybody always wants to know where am I, so let me begin by showing you where you are. We started the tour of the visitor center up above, and on the diagram, the visitor center is right there at the top of the canyon. We came down on the elevator, which is now approximately 500 feet, and right there on that orange line is where you just got off the elevator. We walked up the tunnel, that's where we're now standing. We're in one of these 4 large diversion tunnels, these things are called, standing over this large pipe you were looking at through the window out there. That pipe is full of water. It's bringing the water from Lake Mead, which is out in that direction. It's traveling beneath our feet on its way to the big generators in the power plant as a source of power to turn them to make electricity.
Looking out midpoint of the dam.
Here for a while. They say it's going to be functional for at least 2,000 years. Functional means there's not too much silt behind it. How long will it be here beyond that? Thousands of years. It's going to be here for a long time. It's massive. They actually overbuilt it. Right here you see 0 plus 50. That has to do with the length of this block. The 0 represents the end of the block down that way. At this plus, the block is 50 feet long right here. There's the end of the block right there. So this block's about 54 feet long. Remember I said most of them are up close to the 60-foot size.
Wow, what'd you think of the tour?
It was so neat. It was so interesting. We got to go from the power plant all the way to the top of the dam inside. It was awesome.
Can't believe how clean it was
It
in
was
there.
very clean, very interesting history.
Very nice.
Yes.
Well, that's a wrap on Hoover Dam.
Very interesting, love it. On to the next adventure.
Yeah, incredible feat of engineering.
Unbelievable.
It's awesome.
Yep.
Awesome. Oh, to our next video.
Yep. Bye. Getting ready to go on the dam tour. You're pushing it too close to my face.
What do you think of the tour?
That was so neat, so interesting, and it was so cool going from the power plant